Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new fixing video, and this is my 2015 8 years old MacBook Pro. This is its charger. It's also 8 years old. I never ever replace it. And the wire, you see, this is the wire quality. The plastic cover of this wire is peeling off. I don't know why Apple makes their charging cable this much fragile. So let me show you guys why it is not charging. No charging. This side. Sometimes it charged, sometimes it did. Yeah, you see, this green light is turned on. Now, as you see, guys, this is showing it's charging. But if I unplugged it, then plugged it, it's not charging. So it's charging, sometimes it's not charging. So there is a loose connection here. Now if I try a couple of times, we can see it's charging again. So why this problem happening? Because let me show you guys what is the problem. So if I show you the charging port, now you guys can see this charging port, these two are kind of burned, and on this MagSafe port, charging port, you see this 4 connector. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connector. I think inside the charging port connector there is spring, and over a period of time the spring weaken, and because of this this connector not able to properly connect with the MacBook charging connector, and that's the reason it generated heat and eventually it's burned out. Now guys, we're going to fix this charging connector, and to fix it we're going to use some isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol, and use a brush to clean all of this carbon on this charging pad, so it can create better connection and reduce heat. Look at this carbon, guys, look at it. This brush become completely black because of the carbon, so I need to clean it properly. Now the charging connector is pretty cleaned, but still you see this connector, this one has little bit carbon over it. And with this MagSafe connector, we're going to trim this metal over here on metal little bit. I've already did trim it so that it create proper connection with this charging pad. Okay, so we'll trim it. We use some sandpaper to trim this port. There is no magnet on this MagSafe 2 connector. So you see, no magnet. This is magnetic. So we can easily trim this top portion of this connector, and it probably not going to affect this magnetic capability. Before doing this, please unplug it. Now we're going to sand it. And if you guys have a Dremel tool at your home, you can use that too to trim it. So I trimmed near about 0.5 mm all around. Now we need to clean it a little bit with some isopropyl alcohol. So inside this we have some isopropyl alcohol, and we take our brush and a toothbrush and clean it. So now it's cleaned. Let's connect it with my MacBook Pro and see whether it's able to charge it or not. Now guys, let's plug it in. It's turned green, now it's orange and it's charging. Now the charging port works pretty good. There is no loose connection. When I am pulling it, no loose connection, nothing. So it's fixed, guys. And if you guys want to replace the charging cable, so I purchased a replacement cable with the MagSafe charging port. This is a brand new connector. This is a 8 years old one. So it's better to replace this charging port, because if you don't replace it, you probably ended up with some kind of heat issue, or it probably worked for a couple of months, then again it stopped working. So better to replace this port, but right now it's going to work for me. Let's see how many months it works. So guys, that's how I'm able to fix my MacBook Pro MagSafe 2 charging connector. So it's fixed, it's working properly. I am using it for near about a week or two, and it's working without any problem. Let's charge it, guys. I'm just connecting it, and it's connected. You see guys, the orange light is turned on and it's charging, and there is no heating issue, normal. Previously I was not able to touch here. It's getting so hot that I was not able to touch, but right now it's amazing, it's working awesome. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you smack a big thumbs up on this video, and I will meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.